Hi, I'm Spencer Brodie. I'm the owner of Dynamite Construction. Dynamite Construction is a residential remodeling company. We do bathrooms, kitchens, we do full interior renovations, decks, we do a lot of backyard renovations, front yard renovations, full interior remodeling, additions, ADUs. We do quite a bit. Dynamite Construction is a small family business. What sets us apart from other companies in the Bay Area is that we will hold your hand through the entire process. We're a one-stop shop, from meeting us to go over the initial scope of work, going through the design, handling all the permits, and then all the construction. We are the same company doing all of it from beginning to end, handling all the inspections, handling all the material selection, making sure that you are happy, not just with the finished project, but also the whole process throughout the whole way. Because there's a lot of great companies that can make you something beautiful. But if your experience isn't great, it's not gonna be a 10 out of 10 experience. And what we try to strive for in all of our jobs is that not only is the finished product excellent, but you have a great experience working with me and my team. So we have a very large team. The reason we're able to do a huge amount of work in various projects is because we have our crews that specialize in all sorts of work. We have, painters, plumbers, electricians, tile guys. For landscaping, we have our masons and we have landscapers. We just have different people that specialize in different work. And when they're all working for Dynamite Construction, we're able to coordinate everything together so that you're not just getting a master of none, so to speak. We have different people that are specializing in their specific craft, and that allows us to be able to do excellent work across the board. Because when you have for a bathroom or a kitchen, there are a lot of trades involved in each project, and that's how we're able to deliver such high quality work, is we have a very diverse team. We would love to work with you on your next project. We do work all over the Bay Area and would be happy to come out and give you a free estimate. You dream it, we build it. Dynamite.